Hello to everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today topic is defects. This is from class 12th, subject chemistry, chapter number 1, solid state. Now topic is defect. First is imperfect or defect in crystal. इसको हम imperfect भी बोलते हैं और defect भी बोलते हैं. Next, any departure from perfectly ordered arrangement of constituent particles in crystal is called imperfection or defect. If any particles or any atoms perfectly arranged in crystal, it is called arranged in order, or not arranged in order, it is called defect. If arranged in order, it is not defect. So imperfection arises due to heating or adding impurity or due to presence of impurity. Next, defect has two types. First is point defect and second is line defect. So first we will discuss here point defect. Point defect, you can see that these are crystal and these are vacant. So this in which defects are occur. So in which here we will written as when defect occurs around a point or an atom, so it is called point defect. Next is line defect. Line defect, you can see that this crystal and first row is almost vacant, so it is called line defect. When defect occur in entire row of crystal. Next is point defect, has three types. First is stoichiometric defect, second is non-stoichiometric defect, and third one is impurity defect. So these three defects we will discuss in this video. Now first is stoichiometric defect. In this defect, the ratio of cation and anion before and after the defect remain same. Mean to say, in this defect, if in crystal defect is occur, the ratio of number of cations and number of anions will be same. If before defect ratio is 1:1, so after defect it will also 1:1. So for example, if we draw here a one crystal, like this crystal is before defect. It has no defect, so 3 present 3A positive and cation number of anion is 3, so 3 cross 3 3:3 is 1:1. If A is vacant, A is removed and B is removed, so number of anion is 2 and number of cation is 2, so ratio will be 1:1. So you can see that here ratio will same before and after defect. Next is stoichiometric defect, has considers two classification. For example, non-ionic solid and ionic solid. Non-ionic solid has two types, vacancy defect and interstitial defect, and undergo ionic solid we will discuss Schottky defect and Frankel defect. Next is, first is stoichiometric defect. What is stoichiometric defect? In which ratio will be same? So in this non-ionic solid, first is vacancy defect. When in crystal substance some of lattice site are vacant, the crystal called vacancy defect. For example, this is A positive, this is vacant, and this is A positive, B negative, A positive. So this is called vacancy defect. Now next is interstitial defect. When some one atom get entrapped and present in interstitial site is called interstitial defect. It is due to when density will increases, this defect will occur. And vacancy defect when occur when vacancy arises due to heating, absorb of heat and density decreases. So interstitial defect like this is crystal. And some ion is present in interstitial site. It is called interstitial defect. Alright, now next is ionic solid, in which ionic solid Schottky and Frankel defect we will discuss. So first is Schottky defect. If in an ionic crystal A positive, here is A positive, and B negative type, equally number of cation and anion are missing. That means number of cations, if two number of cations are missing, then number of anions will 2 missing. In order to maintain electrical neutrality, this defect is called Schottky defect. There are formation of one pair of holes. For example, like I'll draw here a crystal. This is crystal and this one is positive, negative, positive, anion, cation, and anion. If one cation is removed, then one anion is also removed. Therefore, one pair of hole is present. Why this defect is occur? Because due to formation of hole, electrical conductivity increase. Effect on density decreases. This defect is shown by compound having high coordination number and having small difference in size between cation and anion. For examples, these are some compounds. Next is Frankel defect. If in an ionic crystal some ion is missing from its lattice site and occupy interstitial site, electrical neutrality is and stoichiometric is maintained is called Frankel defect. For example, we have a crystal positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, and negative is an ion, and one atom is vacant from here and transfer in interstitial site, so it is called Frankel defect. Why this defect is occur? Because of no defect, it has no effect on density and shown by ionic compound having low coordination number, having large difference in size of cation and anion, also called dislocation of defect. This is important. Frankel defect is also called dislocation of defect. Some examples here: compound silver chloride and zinc sulfate. Next, electrical conductivity will increase. Now next is some important points for like silver bromide shows both type of defect, Frankel as well as Schottky defect, and alkali metal size do not show Frankel defect due to large size of cation. So it is important for MCQ type questions and short answer type questions. Now next is consequence of Schottky and Frankel defect. Due to presence of these defects, solid conduct electricity. The second point is due to these defects there is formation of holes, so crystal become unstable. Now next type of point defect is non-stoichiometric defect. In this defect, ratio of cation and anion become different from that indicated by chemical formula or ratio before and after the defect will changes. This defect can occur in following two ways: metal excess and metal deficiency. First, we will discuss metal excess. Metal excess occur in two ways: by anion vacancy and by presence of extra cation in interstitial site. Next is metal excess by anion vacancy. If some anion missing from its site, leaving a hole occupied by electron and maintaining electrical neutrality, the metal is accessed by anion vacancy. You can see this diagram. If B mean to say B negative ion, this is anion, get removed from this side, then electron entrap this side. So it is called metal access by anion vacancy. Next, the electron entrapped in anion vacancy is called F center. So it is very important. F center. What is F center? In German, F is meaning of F is Farbe and its meaning is color. Next, metal access by presence of extra cation in interstitial site. Here, metal access can also be caused by presence of extra cation in interstitial site. Electrical neutrality is maintained by electron in interstitial site. For example, zinc ZNO turn yellow on zinc oxide turn yellow on heating. Now next is metal deficiency. Metal deficiency occur by one way, by cation vacancy. In presence of extra anion, here is no defect occur. No shows any defect. Here metal deficiency by cation, the defect occur when cation shows variable vacancy. This defect occurs due to missing two cation from its lattice site and presence of high charge on another cation. For example, ferrous sulfate, NiO, NiS, nickel sulfate and nickel oxide. Now next is impurity defect. In SrCl2, sodium chloride is added in molten state. In sodium chloride, one Na positive cation are substituted by Sr2 positive because it has two number of cations and it has one. So Sr2 positive substituted by two number of cations, that is Na positive. So this is impurity defect. So now I hope this is clear with you. Thank you.